Start. Rule 15 of Order 21 of the Supreme Court Rules 1966 envisages that the petition of appeal under Subclause A or Subclause B of Clause 1 of Article 134 of the Constitution or under the Supreme Court within bracket enlargement of criminal appellate jurisdiction bracket clause Act 1970 or under section 379 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 on being registered shall be put up for hearing ex parte before the court, which may either dismiss it summarily or direct issue of notice to all necessary parties or make such orders as the circumstances of the case may require. Stop. Para. The appellants in the appeal who were acquitted by the Sessions Court had been convicted and sentenced by the High Court and awarded life imprisonment under Section 302 read with Section 149 IPC. Stop. Para. When their appeal under the Supreme Court within bracket enlargement of criminal appellate jurisdiction bracket clause Act 1970 was listed for preliminary hearing under Rule 15 of Order 21 of the Supreme Court Rules 1966, it was contended that the said provision empowering the court to dismiss the appeal summarily was ultra vires the Enlargement Act 1970, the power of the Supreme Court to frame rules under Article 145 of the Constitution cannot be extended to annul the rights conferred under the Act of Parliament, and that an appeal under the Enlargement Act 1970 cannot be dismissed summarily without calling for the records, ordering notice to the state, and without giving reasons. Stop. Para. Article 134 spells a measure of seriousness because the High Court, which has heard the case, certifies that it involves questions of such moment that the Supreme Court itself must resolve them. Stop. To dispose of such a matter by a preliminary hearing is to cast a reflection on the High Court's capacity to understand the seriousness of a certification. Stop. Para. Article 136 vests a plenary discretion in the Supreme Court to deign or decline to grant leave to appeal against any conviction or sentence. Stop. Before deciding to grant or reject such leave, the court accords an oral hearing after perusing all the papers produced. Stop. Once leave is granted, the appeal is heard after notice to the state in full panoply. Stop. After leave, the appeal is borne. Stop. Then it ripens into fullness and is disposed of when both sides are present. Stop. No appeal after leave is dismissed summarily or ex parte. Stop. If Article 136 gives a discretionary power to grant leave to appeal or to dismiss in limine after an ex parte hearing or after issue of notice, if the court so chooses, Article 134, which gives a constitutional right to appeal as it were, must stand on a higher footing lest the constitution makers be held to have essayed in supererogation. Stop. Para. There is much more hearing content in an absolute appellate right than in a precarious special leave motion. Stop. Jurisprudentially, a right is larger than permission. Stop. Article 134 puts the momentous class of cases covered by it beyond the discretionary compass of Article 136 and within the compulsory area of full hearing, such as would follow upon leave being granted under Article 136. Stop. A full hearing may not obligate dragging the opposite side to court, involving expense and delay. Stop. fullness of hearing of the proponent is not incompatible with non-hearing of the opponent when, after appreciating all that could be urged in support of the cause, there is no need felt to call upon the other side as where the proposition is groundless, frivolous, or not prima facie stateable. Stop. Para. Article 134 empowers Parliament to expand the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court to entertain criminal appeals. Stop. In exercise of this power, Parliament enacted the Supreme Court within bracket enlargement of criminal appellate jurisdiction bracket close Act 1970 in its grave concern for long incarceration being subject to great scrutiny at the highest level if first inflicted by the High Court. Stop. A right of appeal to the Supreme Court was granted when the High Court has for the first time sentenced an accused to life imprisonment or to a term of or above 10 years of rigorous imprisonment and equated it with that granted under Article 134. Stop.